Welcome to the tutorial on errors and debugging using Eclipse. In this tutorial, we are going to learn what are the possible errors while writing a simple Java program, how to identify those errors and rectify them using Eclipse. For this tutorial, we are using Ubuntu 11.10 and Eclipse 3.7. To follow this tutorial, you must know how to create and run a Java program in Eclipse. If not, for relevant tutorials, please visit our website as shown. In a simple Java program, the typical errors could be a missing semicolon, missing double quotes around the message, mismatch of file name and class name, and typing the print statement in lowercase. We shall write a program and then make each of these errors and see what happens in Eclipse. Here we have the Eclipse IDE and the project used for the Hello World tutorial. We shall create a new class in the project and use it. New class. Let us name the class error free and select the method stub public static void main. Let us minimize the package explorer. Remove the comments. And add the print statement with a few errors. In Eclipse, the line which has the error will be indicated with a red cross mark on the left margin. In this case, the system.out.println line has an error and hence there is a red cross mark on the left. The list of errors is displayed by hovering the mouse over the cross mark. The first error displayed is syntax error, insert semicolon to complete block statements. This is because we have to end every statement of the program with a semicolon. So let us insert semicolon at the end of the statement. Save the file with Ctrl S. Notice that once we add the semicolon and save the file, the first error is gone. There's only one error now, which says hello world cannot be resolved to a variable. Which means to display any message on the console, the message has to be included in double quotes. Without the quotes, Java thinks that hello world is the name of a variable. Let us add double quotes before and after the message. Ctrl S to save. We see that the red cross mark is gone and our program is error free. So let us run the program and see what happens. Run as Java application. We see that the message has been printed on the console. Let us look at the next error. It happens due to a mismatch of the file name and class name. It does not happen usually on Eclipse. This is because we use the new class wizard to create a file and Eclipse creates the file automatically. But if we create a Java file outside of Eclipse and add it to a project, there is a chance of the error. So let us simulate the error by changing the class name. Since Java is case sensitive, Now the class name and the file name do not match. Notice that there is a red cross mark on the left margin, and the error message reads, the public type error-free must be defined in its own file. Also notice that the word error-free is underlined in red color. Eclipse offers intelligent fixes, and we have two fixes available here. The first one is rename compilation unit to errorfree.java, and the second one is rename the type to errorfree. The fix that we are looking for is the second one, and we see that once we rename the file, the class, back to errorfree, the error here is missing. The next error happens due to typing mistakes in the print statement. Let us replace the capital S with a small s. We notice that there is a red cross mark and the error message reads, system cannot be resolved. This means Java is expecting a class or object or a variable by the name system, but there is nothing like system object in the code. So let us look at the possible fixes. There are 11 fixes. Out of these, the fix that we are looking for is the 8th option, change to system java.lang. We can see that once we change it to capital S, the error is missing. Here is how you identify errors in Java using Eclipse and rectify them. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. In this tutorial, we have seen what are the typical errors while writing a Java program and how to identify them and rectify them using Eclipse. As an assignment for this tutorial, find out the errors in the code given below and fix them. To know more about the Spoken Tutorial project, watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. The Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the following link. This tutorial has been contributed by Talent Sprint. Thanks for joining.